Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable GEMINI AI on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So I'm provide full guide, please don't skip my video. Simply you just open your Google Apps and make sure to sign in Gmail account. Press on profile, showing it to settings. Press on GEMINI. Press on, and the second step, click on, make sure to enable this. Okay, at first time remove and provide how can easily enable this process. Okay, press on to enable option, turn on, and I agree. Say, okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Now say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Now say, hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Now say, hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, overall setup, press on done. Completely turn on and set up, go back, make sure to connect your internet and you just say hey Google and open this. You can enjoy this feature. So that's it.